guys, what's up? And wait, I gotta fix that. Hi guys, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. Hello if you are new, and if you are new, hi, my name is Ashlyn. I filmed an unboxing of my iPhone a couple of years ago, and that was a super fun video. But today I'm basically doing the same video, but I'm unboxing my iPad and accessories. Speaking of accessories, those came in before the iPad, and the iPad wasn't supposed to come in for another like few weeks, and then it came in super early, so I am so happy about that. So let's go ahead and get to unboxing. I'll start with the iPad, and then I'll start with the accessories. I got my cute scissors out for this. I actually got an iPad because this has been something on my list of YouTube things to buy for a long time now, but iPads are not cheap, so I have waited for a long time, and then this one was on sale, and I figured why not. So oh my gosh. Okay, I'm like freaking out. I'm so excited right now. So this is the iPad I got. Oh, okay, so this is the 2021 iPad, the newest iPad generation. So let's go ahead and get our ASMR iPad opening stuff going. Okay, get ready for all the sounds. Wow. Oh my gosh, okay, so this is what it looks like when you open it up. Oh my goodness. This is awesome. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, now it's time to unwrap it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Wow, okay. Wow. Oh, it's probably gonna be dead, isn't it? This is it. Oh, what's going on? Okay, so it is now showing the welcome screen. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now let's jump into the accessories. The first thing I got from Amazon is this iPad case, and I was between this or the green color. Honestly, the green would have been really pretty too. It's just the prettiest pale blue. Oh my gosh, wait. I think it has a little placeholder for your pen too. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my iPad in the case. Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I have an iPad. Okay, now I want to go ahead and, before we open up the other accessory, I want to see what's inside. So we've got a charger. Wow, they have really changed like their iPad chargers. That is so cool. Okay, now for my stylus pin. This is what's gonna help me with my thumbnails. So let's go ahead and open it up. So I did not get the Apple Pen. It's actually $100 for the pen, and I just decided right now I'd rather try just a dupe, like an Amazon one. So I found this one. It had pretty good reviews, so I decided that I would just try it, and I think it was only like $30 compared to $100. This is it. Oh, it comes with like 3 other little pencil tips. Whoa, this is kind of heavy. Oh, it comes with a little cap as well. And then here's the charger. Wow, this is really cool. Okay, first I'm going to set up my iPad. I brought my phone close to the iPad, and it's connecting everything. It's just asking for my phone password, but I don't know it unless I do it. Yeah.
Oh. That's the most adorable thing I've ever heard.
No.
Because you know the letters, you don't know the numbers.
Yeah. So look.
That's gorgeous.
And then I need to buy a screen protector.
Yeah, we can do one of those at
Amazon.
probably Bad Apple though.
I can get it with my boots. But also look at my pen. And it comes with like a little protector.
Yeah.
And then it also comes with little tips, which I'm gonna keep in there.
Yeah.
And then I wonder if they're different sizes or just refills.
Okay. He thinks he's a bear.
Are you a big bear, Bubba? Are you? Mishak, are you a big bear? Okay, so now everything. Are you watching The Office?
No.
Okay, good. Cool. I can't wait to like organize it all. So this is what it looks like. Wow. This is so cool. Okay guys, that is all for my iPad unboxing. I hope that you really enjoyed that because that was so fun. And I know these videos are really short, but I just had to share that with you guys. And I am so excited to start creating my thumbnails on here. I probably edited this thumbnail on here, honestly. Oh my gosh, yeah. This case also can make it stand up like that. Oh, I love that. If you just go through and look at some of my videos and see that it's a good fit, then I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and follow me along on this journey. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Comment down below iPad gang. Okay, I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye!